Hey Lowell, this article is going to show you how to add web articles to the website, and it'll basically be these two areas: the Big Bear Lifestyle and the Big Bear Real Estate blog. Um, the Big Bear Lifestyle ones also show up here on the front page. Um, you can click into it, and it'll show you the different articles, and then you could even click into it more and then read it, um, and go from there. So that's what this video is going to be about, are these two areas right here, and then we'll touch on adding the featured property and the real estate listings in another video. Um, so once you're logged into the website, you'll see this little admin bar on the front of the page. You can always, edit post, and it will take you right to this article, add new, different stuff like that. But for right now, we're just going to go right into the back end, and I'll show you how to really quickly add articles. So if we go into posts, we'll see a couple of the articles that we have in there already. Um, the Big Bear Lake, summer is coming, summer in Fawnskin, hiking in Big Bear. You can always click on these and go into the little post editor and edit them from here. Just brings up a picture. You can scroll down, there's just all the text in there. And these are the categories that it's going into. So let's just go back real quick, and we're just going to add a sample post, and I'm just going to delete it after I add it, so you won't see it on the website, but just so you can kind of get a picture of how it works. So if we just go add new, it just brings up a blank post that we got to fill in on all the information for when my computer starts working. Okay, and when we come over to here, obviously you just enter the title. We're just going to call it test. This is a test. We're going to do this as the Big Bear Lifestyle post. So we'll click this box. That means it's going to show on the front page and in the slideshow. We're going to click this so it goes under the Big Bear Lifestyle posts. And we have a little bit of text in there. Now let's just click to the left side of the text, and we'll click this little button here, which is add image. Now when this pops up, it'll let you choose from your computer to upload images, the media library if we have anything in there. But for right now, we're just going to upload a picture. So let's just, we just have the bike path or hiking in Big Bear. Let's just add that up there. It's going to upload it, compress it, do all the magic behind the scenes for it. And then once it's done uploading it, you'll see this pop up. And if we come down here to the bottom, let's just align it center, and we're going to do the full size image, and let's just insert it into the post. Now depending on the size, it might be a little big, but we can always go back and change that. If we click on the picture and click on that little image tab, we can always go back and size it down in the ratio right here. Just click on that and click update. And that's basically how you get a little image into the post. And another thing you'll want to be aware of is that if we set a picture, it's going to grab that first picture for the slideshow. So let's just publish that real quick, and I'll show you what I mean. We're going to wait for that to publish. And we're just going to go back to the front page and see what it looks like. So it published it. Let's just go back to the front of the website, see what it looks like. And there it goes. It pulled that picture off the top of the little thing, and there it is right there. So let's go back and let's say you have this picture up top, but you don't want that picture to be the one that's in the little banner rotation. You can come down here and click select featured image, and this will change the little square thumbnail, and then also change the one rotating in the banner. So I'm just going to pick one from the media library real quick so you can kind of see what I mean. If we click on media library, wait for it to chew through and process everything. Okay, so we have all these different ones in here. Just for showing you this, just going to click on that one for the Fawnskin Bridge, and we just click here, use as featured image. It'll save that, and then once it's done saving, we can just click out of here. It's put it down here so you know it's your featured image. And let's just go back to the front of the website. And now it's changed the featured image for that post in there. And you notice it also changed the thumbnail, but if we go to it, it won't have that picture up at the top. It'll have the hiking picture. So you can do it either way. If you don't want to put in a featured image, it'll automatically take the first image that comes up. But sometimes, if you don't want to put a big image right at the top of the article like this, you can always use that featured image to get it in the banner rotation up there. And then one last thing, we're just going to go back and I'll show you how to delete it. So if we just click on our admin bar up here, go to our dashboard, and scroll over, go back to posts. And let's just open this up because I wanted to show you one more thing with the categories. The way the categories are set up is if you click the front page slideshow, it's going to put it on that front page slideshow. And then you can, like I said, pick the different category underneath that. I've kind of set up the real estate blog so it's doesn't necessarily have to come up on there, but you can always, like I said, just click that as well. So if you want front page real estate blog post, it'll show up on the front of the website on the front page, like some of the other ones. Okay, so let's just go back and simply to delete them, we just click on this, you roll over it, and just hit trash. And it throws it into the trash bucket for you. You can always go back and retrieve them if you click on the little trash icon up here. And then you can either permanently delete it or restore it if you would like. Or select all of them and delete all of them permanently. And that's about it. That's how simple it is to get the articles up on the website. I think the biggest thing that you'll run into right now is just simple formatting when you're doing it, and just picking the right images and stuff like that. And the next article or the next video, we're gonna dive into pages and how to edit pages. And then after that, we're going to dive into getting some of the featured listings up there and go from there. All right.